Okay, so now that you've placed your thyme leaves into your oven at 170 degrees or your lowest temperature setting of your oven, or you can use a dehydrator at 135 to 155 degrees. Once you remove them from the oven or your dehydrator, now they're nice and dried. So what you do is just slide the leaves right off, and as a matter of fact, you don't even have to slide them, you can just crumble them. And they fall right off the stems, just like this, very simple. And the next step, you want to take your dried thyme and put it into a spice grinder or a coffee grinder. So I'm just going to take the ones that I've removed, place them in the spice grinder. Okay, and there you have it. Nice ground, not too finely ground. You can put them in there a little longer if you want them a little more fine. But now you have ground thyme. Just let it go a little while longer. Okay. There you have it. They're not fine and ground into a powder, but they've been broken down quite a bit. And so you can add this to chicken broth, your chicken stock, your chicken or vegetable soup if you are still plant-based. So you can add this to your vegetable stock, any savory dishes. If you're still an animal protein eater, you can add it to your chicken soup, and it just really brings out the flavor in the broth or in your meat. But of course I'm vegan, so I put them in my savory vegetable dishes. You can add them to any egg dishes, souffles, your egg tart. It goes wonderfully with egg dishes. Okay, so try this at home. Don't throw away your herbs and your spices. Dry them out, keep them, and reuse them. So now you simply want to place your dried herbs into an airtight container or a bag, as I have here. Put a label on it or right on the back of it, just so you won't confuse it with your other dried herbs, and you'll have fresh thyme anytime you want it.